All right, hello, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Justin. Most people call me GDT. Thank you for being here. Make sure if you haven't, you hit subscribe to check out all of these trading videos. We did remember to record today, thankfully. Also, if you guys haven't done so, check out link in the description below for my other YouTube channel, Whiskey Tears, all about whiskey, bourbon, scotch, whatever you guys may like. If you guys enjoy that kind of stuff, we do reviews over there, tastings, bunch of things planned coming up in the future. So do me a big favor, head over to Whiskey Tears, subscribe there as well. And for now, for today, let's trade.
Go!
All right, so first trade of the day here today was on Tesla. Nice pop up through the $1,000 mark. I go ahead and get 10 shares short here at $1,005.50. So we'll just call it 1,550 to shorten it up there, and we're gonna go ahead and look for this thing to move back down through the $1,000 mark. So I'm getting ready with 5 shares. If we can get down through the $1,000 mark to take half off and then see if the other half can go a bit further. It's pushing down towards 1,000 here. I've got my finger on the button there. It's through. I go ahead and click it. We get that 5 share fill there at 1,000, and we now have 5 shares left to see if they can get down a bit further towards like 996 is what I'm looking for. I go ahead and put an order out there at 996. It's kind of getting down to that area but possibly bouncing off of it, so I go ahead and just put the order out and see if I can get filled here a little bit lower on Tesla with those remaining 5 shares. It pushes down one more time and gets me filled all there for $75 on 10 shares. Only 10 shares and making $75. I will take that every day of the week and be happy with it. Tesla then starts moving again later in the morning. We are now up into the 1020s, and this one's probably not as good because the candles were not nearly as extended here, but I decided if it pushed up through the 1020s, I was going to go ahead and get started here. So I get started 10 more shares short here at 1022. Going to look for this thing to push up towards the 1030s to add in 10 more shares. Didn't get any ads on the first trade on Tesla. We're going to get that opportunity on the second trade. It starts to move up higher. I'm looking for a move up here through 1026, something like that. See if we can get a bit higher here on this push. It's pushing up there, it gets through. I click the button, I get filled a little over 1026 there for another 10 shares. Now it's still going, and I am not going to do my normal 112 here on Tesla. I'm going to keep it a little bit lighter so I can add more in on the way up if I need to. But I do go ahead and get 10 more shares short there over 1031. So I now have 30 shares short at 1026.50. So, you know, 30 shares short, 1026.50. It kind of bounces off these 1026s for a while, so I decide just to get ready down at 1024. If we can make a quick flush, I will probably just take all 30 shares, and it's come down towards 1025. So I'm looking for a little flush here. I gets under for half a second, pops back up, then comes down and fills me fully there at 1024 with the 30 shares to get me up to about 150 total here on Tesla. So made $75 basically both ways there on 2 Tesla trades. Finally, you can see alerting below me here on the positive intensity scanner, this ASTR. Nice big pop here, kind of some big volume surge going on, and I'm waiting to see if this thing can pop up through the 460s. This time I will be ready with a 300 share starter because of the range and the lower price of the stock, and this is one of those ones where it really rips. I can get some decent share size in and try and make some good money. So I'm looking for a nice move up through the 460s with 300 shares. We'll see what it does. It's pushing 460 here. Finally makes a nice push through. I click the button and get filled 300 shares short at 464. I then set my limit to 475, and I'm ready to go with another 300 if it gets up to 475. Unfortunately, it hits a high of 474 on this push. 474, so I was not able to get in another 300 shares, which would have given me 600 shares with a really nice average. So that was kind of disappointing here on ASTR that it got up 1 penny below my ad spot. But because of that, and it started really slowing down after that initial surge, I decided to put all 300 shares out here at 454 to see if I can just get that 10-cent move, take some money, and move on with the day. It starts curling here a bit at the 460s. The volume's really running out, so I'm not quite sure what it's actually going to do here at this point. I could have seen it really going either way, either making a move back up towards the highs or doing a flush back down towards the 450. So I've just got my order sitting out there at 454 for all 300 shares if it can give me that move and give me a little bit of money. So It's kind of stalling out here in the low 460s. Can't really get higher. Hasn't made a move lower yet, but then it starts flashing down a little bit into the 456s. So I'm like, okay, one more little flash here to the downside, and we'll probably get a fill at 454 for all 300. And there it is. Quick flash down. Get the fill at 454 at $30 to the day, and we're up 180, call it, just like that. So that's going to do it for my day. 3 for 3 today, making $180 coming off of the $100 day yesterday. So pretty good 2 days to start the week here for me. Hopefully you guys are doing well trading as well. A lot of you probably hit Tesla to the upside. Made a big move. It's currently in the 1030s while I'm filming this video. So it really got some power today. Market's been a little bit crazy all over the place, generally trending to the upside, but made a big flash down recently here. So let me know how you guys did. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit like and subscribe. I'll see you later.